Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to back up your WhatsApp. In order to back up your WhatsApp, launch open the WhatsApp application from your home screen or app drawer, and then once you're inside, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu, tap on chats. Now, click on chat backup and then click on backup now on the next page. Wait for a couple of minutes. If you want to enable auto backup, tap on auto backup and choose the backup frequency from daily, weekly or monthly. After making the selection, you will also be able to enable auto backup on WhatsApp. If you want to include videos in backup, you will need to go ahead and toggle on the button right next to include videos. And once you are done with the backup, your chats and media are safely backed up to the Google Drive. Your WhatsApp data is safely backed up on your Google Drive or your iCloud, depending upon your device's operating system. Just make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi and have enough cloud storage space before initiating a backup. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.